Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. Pretty easy. I got Swiss chard here, some carrots, and that is frozen ground turkey. The Instant Pot will actually cook it all up, so I'm not too worried about it de-thawing it. You could if you want, but it takes a little bit more time. So I'm going to put some rice into it. I'm going to cook it all together with all the seasoning and everything, so the flavor will meld. So I'm going to make a sort of stew out of it, and the rice will actually naturally thicken it. So yeah, stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the rice in there. I'm going to put my carrots, I'm going to chop them up, put the Swiss chard, and then put the ground turkey, and all seasoned. And I'm going to use the stew button on this, and it's going to cook it up. I'll be back and I'll be giving you a taste test as well. Alright, so here's the ground turkey, all seasoned, ready to go. I'm just going to put in the Swiss chard, add a little bit of water to it, and then it's ready to go, and just hit the button. So I'll be back. Alright, so it's all ready to go guys, so I'm going to put it in and hit the stew button, and then I'll be back and do a quick taste test, so stay tuned. Alright, so it's all done here guys, so here it is. I scooped it out and did a quick taste test on it. So if you guys, I don't know if you ever had congee. So this congee is basically boiled rice and makes it like a thick stew in a way. So the flavor's pretty all in there. It's melded with the carrots. You get a lot of the carrot flavor. Swiss chard, you don't taste too much. The turkey's in there just for good protein and make it a little bit more savory. The herbs meld well. Yeah, check it out guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.